And with that, now that we are spiritually charged and mentally present, it's time to kick things off in style. To give the welcome note address, please put your hands together for Alpa Shah.
I think matching Shivangi's energy is just next to impossible, and I'm shivering. So I think a big round of applause for her. So good morning, namaskar. मैं गुजराती हूँ, केम छो? And Bangalore energy is super. बहुत मज़ा आया आज यहाँ पे आके. And this is your host, Alpa Shah. I'm a social entrepreneur, author, and finance coach. I'm so happy to host this event and welcome you all at Empower Education's Go Beyond to Grow Beyond Women and Gen Z Wealth Summit 2026. What an incredible strength of women MFDs, Gen Z MFDs, and of course, our favorite men MFDs, who support each other for their personal growth and mutual fund industry growth as well. I salute each one of you for your contribution towards nation building, financial literacy, and wealth creation. Empower Education was born with simple yet powerful purpose of spreading financial literacy for corporate employees, women, and youth. Freedom Foundation was born with simple yet another powerful impact for social impact for lower strata income group people like dabbawalas, maids, taxi drivers, auto rickshaw driver, differently abled, and even the transgenders. My both books, Every Women Should Invest and The Business Women, both are dedicated for women because I'm extremely passionate to empower and educate women, and that one such woman is just sitting next to me, who is my motivation also. Madhu Lunawat ma'am ke liye zordar taaliyan honi chahiye. And that is the reason I am extremely happy to serve as the head of Women Entrepreneurship Cell at MSME and SME Forum Bharat, which is the government initiative. Going digital and youth, which is the future of our country, right? So we started our podcast series, Money Ki Baat Alpa Ke Saath, through which we are regularly connected with the youth of our country, which are going to build the strong nation. And finally, my most favorite community, mutual fund distributors and financial advisors, planners, who are always working hard to create wealth for their investors. But are you genuinely happy, healthy, and of course, something which you are passionate about, are you achieving that? Keeping that particular intention in mind, we created Go Beyond to Grow Beyond. And this is something which is extremely dear and near to my heart, wherein we are continuously trying to upgrade, empower, motivate, mentor, not just Gyan, the mutual fund distributors community. We always chase 100 crore AUM, but have we made our own 100 crores? That is what we always ask every distributor whom we meet. How to grow your business multifold, NRI, global business, GIFT City, SIF, AIF, succession planning. If your children are joining your business, fantastic. If they are not joining, what is the plan B? Women, investors as well as distributors, We are continuously in the process of creating more and more women distributors. And one such beautiful initiative, MF Didi, is also launched by our own Madhu ma'am. And we are on the mission to increase women investors, women mutual fund distributors, youngsters, youth, and even the Gen Z who can join the business of their parents and grow this industry multifold. So this is what is Go Beyond to Grow Beyond. And once again, I welcome you all to this beautiful summit. And today we are going to recognize and gift and present awards to our women MFDs for their contribution. And we are going to welcome and felicitate our next generation, which is the Gen Z MFDs. I welcome all the dignitaries, all the way from Canada. Naresh ji is here, Hitesh bhai is here, Debashish sir, Sandeep Bhushetty ji, who has been always a pillar of strength for Go Beyond to Grow Beyond, and all the dignitaries who are not present here, but they are going to come. And let me tell you, I'm going to stop here because I am also going to learn a lot from all these financial industries veterans. And they have so much to teach us, tell us today, and I'm looking forward for this summit and the whole day, the sessions which are lined up. I request all of you for once, while I'm doing your job, can you all please give a standing ovation to none other than Shrikant Mathrubhai ji and his team. मैं हमेशा जो काम लास्ट में करना होता है वो पहले ही कर देती हूँ, क्योंकि लास्ट में फिर गड़बड़ी मच जाती है, टाइम कम होता है और फिर हमें दुख होता है कि अरे हमने ये किया नहीं. और हम जैन हैं, हम जैन में बोलते हैं मिच्छामि दुक्कडम. अगर मेरे से कोई भी गलती हो गई हो, अनइंटेंशनली, इंटेंशनली तो नहीं की है, तो प्लीज़ आप हम सबको माफ़ कर दीजिएगा. लेकिन वंस अगेन बहुत ज़ोरदार तालियां श्रीकांत मातृभाई जी और उनके टीम के लिए. देखिए, श्रीकांत मातृभाई के नाम में ही भाई है और वो मेरे बड़े भाई हैं. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच श्रीकांत जी, wherever you are. We all love you and thank you for making this event huge successful. And welcome, welcome, welcome. This is your host, Alpa Shah, and I once again welcome you all for Empower Education's Go Beyond to Grow Beyond Women and Gen Z Wealth Summit 2026. Namaste.
Thank you so much, Alpa ma'am, for that extremely energetic welcome. I request you to stay on stage.